Everyone, it's Jerry, Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here in Tropicana Springs, Florida, just driving around the back roads. And I have no idea how I do this, but check this out. 1955 Chevy 4-door, which is absolutely cool. Just driving down the street and see this bad boy parked there. Trying to notify the owner. If you look, there's the dog. There's some signs. But I think it's so cool, that car. 55 Chevy 4-door, sitting in Florida. I'm gonna come back, and I left my card, and maybe I could buy this one. Just wonder if it's for sale. It's pretty awesome. So guys, please like and share my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Always looking for those Tri-5s. Please hit the bell notification below. And so you can get notified about all these 55 and 56, 57 Chevys I find. But there it is, another 55 I find. Just driving around Florida aimlessly this weekend. I'm just going to look for some more classics. Have a great day.